Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome to another episode of Smile to Jannah. There's been an advert that's been circulating around the Muslim social media sphere. Let's have a look. As you guys can see, there is a Muslim lady called Aisha who's dressed up in what seems like a Western form of a wedding dress. She's got a sign that says, "My name is Aisha. I'm looking to get married and you can find me on this rubbish app." People are looking at her and the app is clearly promoting this as if, mashallah, look at us, we're doing such an amazing thing. But in reality, it's, let's face it, what the hell is this? I'm actually lost for words, mate. Yeah, I'm actually lost for words. Let's look at the sign, yeah? "My name is Aisha and I'm ready for a nikah." When you're dressed up and lingering in public with a sign asking for a man, you will get one, but not the one you're looking for, mate. There is a name for women like this that go out dressed up, dolled up, walk around on streets asking for men. How did this app not realize what it was getting across? It comes across as desperate and cheap. Yeah, let's break this down. So the app is called Muz, which is short for Muslim. It promotes itself as a Muslim marriage app. But on the other hand, the lady that's being put forward is dressing provocatively. She's not wearing proper hijab. And again, this is selected to represent this company. And then she's been made to stand in public by herself, dolled up, and in this state, saying, "Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready for a man."
It's mad.
Let's face it, what is nikah? Yeah, I'm ready for a man. And if a man wants me, they can find me here. And these guys did another ad which went something along the lines of a guy lying down and asking people to protect him from an arranged marriage. You know what this company seems to be doing? It seems to be trying to get business by exploiting the stereotypes of Muslims. That's what it is. By making us look bad, by preying into the stereotypes of people that, oh yeah, Muslim women are desperate, Muslim men, yeah, arranged marriage may help them. Yeah, help them. He's asking people to help him. What the hell is this, bruv? And then the advert proudly shows people's reactions. Look, people are stopping and taking pictures. Look, heads are turning. We're so popular. We're so cool. Wow. Allow it. Allow it. Ask the people why they're stopping and staring. Ask them. Ask them. Film their reactions so we can hear as well. They're honestly going to be thinking, yeah, this is weird. Why is a woman by herself standing and asking for men and to go on an app to find her? What sort of app is this? So may Allah protect us from exploiting our religion, from exploiting our brothers and our sisters just to make an extra dollar and a dime. Let's be people of principle and not sell our people down the river just so we can get a few more customers. Now, that being said, yeah, it is of course very important for us to put ourselves out there, not like this. Unfortunately and sadly, some people think that, you know what, Allah's just gonna bring somebody to my door. He's gonna be knocking on the door.
"I want to marry your wonderful daughter. I'm a doctor, I'm a hafiz, and next week Elon Musk is sending me to Mars on an expedition as well. And by the way, I won the gold medal in the Olympics, even though there were no Olympics this year, frankly. I won the medal anyway. And I'm here, and I'm going to be a doormat for your family and your daughter. I'm going to do whatever your family tells me to."
That's just not going to happen, mate. You know what I mean? And then you're making dua, "Ya Allah, why is it not happening? Why are you doing this to me?" This dunya is Darul Asbab, a world of means. Yeah, do your best, Allah will do the rest. You have to do something. So put yourself on apps, not exploitative, money-orientated apps like this, but apps that actually care about the Muslim rulings pertaining getting married. And on the other hand, you of course have, let's face it, incompetent parents. They are not doing what they're supposed to be doing, and some sisters, some brothers are totally relying on them. You can't do that, because you know what's going to happen. A time's going to come, they're going to be like, "Well, you do something as well." And then you're thinking, subhanAllah, I've been waiting for you, mate. Like, I'm not used to approaching people. You told me to keep my gaze low, look after myself. So look, when you are on apps, allow blurring your image. Yeah? don't blur your image, have your images there. I mean, we're living in a different time. Yeah, have hijab and cover yourself, and don't apply makeup, whatever you want to do to fulfill that criteria, but don't make it difficult for yourself by blurring your images, by not putting yourself out there, by not letting your friends know and putting yourself out in the community. It's not a bad thing. Umar radiallahu an actively went around with the rishta of his daughter Hafsa radiallahu anha. So to ask people for marriage and put yourself out there and to have and encourage your parents and your brothers to do the same thing is not a bad thing. But just don't go to this level, frankly, yeah? So there is a balance. May Allah give us the ability to understand. And those people that are looking to get married, may Allah make it so. And people that are married, that are struggling, may Allah assist them from these trials. Let's leave it there, guys. Until next time. Assalamu alaikum.